Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I'm going to show you how to make super delicious, creamy and festival special Semiya kheer, also known as Vermicelli Payasam. This is one of the easiest and most loved Indian desserts, perfect for festivals, family functions or whenever you are craving something sweet. The best part, it needs very simple ingredients and comes together in just a few easy steps. I will also share some important tips so your paisam turns out perfectly creamy, not too thick or not too watery. So why wait, let's get started. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is slightly hot, add 1 small bowl of cashews. Roast them on low flame until it turns light golden brown. Now add half bowl of almonds and continue roasting for another minute on low flame. Once the cashews turn slightly darker golden, add half bowl of raisins and saute it for a few seconds until they puff up. After changing the color, now transfer the roasted dry fruits to a separate plate and keep them aside for a later use. Next, in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, keep the flame on low and add 100 grams of semiya. Here I am using regular semiya, so that's why I am roasting it. If you are using roasted semiya, you can skip this frying step. Now add 3 to 5 cloves. It gives a wonderful aroma and enhance the overall flavor of the kheer. Roast the semiya on low flame until it turns light golden and gives a nice aroma. Make sure to stir continuously so it doesn't burn. When the semiya turns light golden brown and aromatic, carefully add 500 ml of water. Mix well and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame until it becomes soft. Now the semiya is about 90% cooked. You can check by taking a stand and breaking it. It should break easily. If it's still hard, cook it for another minute. At this stage, add 50 grams of kova. This makes the kheer richer and gives it a beautiful creamy texture. Once the kova melts completely, add half liter of milk. Now we can mix it well and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. The semiya is cooked perfectly. Now add 75 grams of sugar, or you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Mix it well and let it cook for another 2 minutes on low flame, and do not boil it for too long after adding sugar, otherwise the kheer will become too thick. Now we can add roasted dry fruits and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well and switch off the flame. See, our delicious Semiya Payasam is ready. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving, so it's thickened slightly and the flavors blend well also. After resting for 5 minutes, The payasam has thickened perfectly. Now let's serve this creamy and aromatic Semiya Payasam. It's a perfect dish to prepare for festivals, special pujas, a family gathering, or just a sweet craving after dinner. And this quantity is comfortably served 4 to 5 people. There you have this incredibly delicious Semiya Payasam. This can be served either hot or cold, just the way your family likes it. So do try the recipe and enjoy with your family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.